Hello everyone. In previous term, we have learned about abacus scale. In abacus scale, we have learned about frame, unit bar or answer line, heaven beats or upper beats, earth beats or lower beats, rods and unit dot. And we have also learned to identify the beads in one's place. In this term, we are going to identify or we are going to learn about the identification of beads in tens place. Take page number 5. There we can see the introduction to tens rod. If we take the first exercise, we can see that in ones place, nothing is there in ones place, but in tens place, we can see a bead. Only one bead is there in tens place. So, the value of this bead is 10. So, we can write here the answer will be 10. And if we take the next question, there in the ones place, no bead is there in ones place, and we can see two beads in tens place. So the value of one bead is 10 and the value of another bead is also 10. So 10 plus 10, the answer is 20. If we take the next question, then we can see nothing is there in ones place and we can see three beads in tens place. So the value of each bead is 10. So here we can see 3 beads. So the value of all these 3 beads is 30. So like that we can do this exercise, page number 5. And the last exercise of this page, here upper we can see the bead here. So the value of this upper bead is 50. The value of this upper bead is 50. So we can count like this: 50, then 60, 70, 80 and 90. So the value of this rod is 90. So like that we can do this exercise. Next, take page number 6. There also we can do the identification of beads, the same that we have done in page number 5. The same we are going to do here also. If we take the first exercise, we can see the 2 beads are here and one's place nothing is there. In tens place 2 beads are there. So the value is 20. And in second exercise, in one's place nothing is there and we can see upper bead there. We can see one upper bead is there. So the value of this upper bead is 50. So the answer is 50. And here if we take the last row, here we can see upper bead here again. So the value of this upper bead again we can get answer 50. And here upper bead is there 50, then plus 10 60, plus 10 70. So the answer is 70. So like that we can complete this page number 6 also. And if we go to page number 7, there we can see the beads in ones place and also in tens place. If we take the first exercise, we can see 2 beads are here. One bead is in ones place and another bead is in tens place. So how we can write the answer? The value of tens place the bead is 10 and the value of ones place bead is 1. So 10 plus 1, the answer is 11. If we take the next question, in ones place we can see 2 beads and in tens place we can see 1 bead. So the value of a tens place bead is 10 and the value of a ones place bead is 2. So 10 plus 2, 12. And third question, in ones place we can see 3 beads and in tens place there is only 1 bead. So the value of this 1 bead is 10 and the value of 3 beads in ones place is 3. So the answer is 13. So like that we can do this page number 7. If we take the last row, then we can see here in tens place we can see 2 beads, and in ones place we can see 3 beads. So here tens place the beads value is 20, and ones place the beads value is 3. So 20 plus 3, 23. Then take next page number 8. There also the same exercise. We can see the same exercise. If you take the first exercise, we can see the 2 beads are there in tens place and 1 bead is there in ones place. So the value of tens place bead is 50 plus 10, that is 60. Then the value of ones place bead is 1. So 60 plus 1, 61. The next question, there is upper bead is there in ones place and 2 beads are there in tens place. The value of 2 beads in tens place is 20, and the value of this upper bead in ones place is 5. So the answer is 25. Then we take the next question. We can see so many beads are there in ones place also and in tens place also. So in tens place we can see 3 beads, and in ones place we can see 4 beads. So first we take the beads in tens place. There 10, 20, 30. The value of these 3 beads are 30, and the value of beads in ones place is 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. So 30 plus 8, we will get the answer 38. So like that we can do these exercises. So your homework is do page number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 in level 2B book. Don't do in level 2A. Level 2A for your class work. So that we will do during the class time, and you can do your homework in level 2B book. Thank you. Have a nice day.